Hey, what's up, people? Okay. Oh, this is my room, I guess. It's very, very messy, so don't mind it, but, I haven't had a chance to clean it, but, yeah, hopefully I'll be able to clean it by tomorrow, most definitely. Oh, yeah, that's... This is so pretty. Look at it. It's pretty. Okay, you know what's gay? Oh, excuse me, hiccups. Okay, it is December 21st. Oh my god, what did we get? Ah! And yes, it is freezing balls outside. Like, seriously. But anyways, to hear something gay is we have school December 22nd and 23rd. The 23rd is our last day before we have winter break. And that's so retarded. And like, I got hiccups, but anyways. I forgot what was up. Oh yeah. And like, the longest they can keep us is June 7th. And our last day of school is June 5th, so if we have any snow days, it really doesn't matter because we have, wow, only 2 more days, you know, a big difference. Okay, yeah, that's my frog. And that is the cutest little teddy bear ever. It is rock and rollin'. And, yeah, 'cause, like, my friend's little brother gave it to me. He's such a sweetie. But, yeah. What time is it? It is 10:53. Oh my gosh, it's a school night and I'm staying up. What's up with that? Okay. Look at my little cell phone. Ah! Anyways, yeah, that's my cell phone. And look, I don't know if you can really see, but it's got a scratch on it. I accidentally cut it with a knife. Not on purpose, that is. But, like, I dropped it in my couch because we had like this big old hole in the couch, and like, it like fell in the hole, and it was like all the way on the bottom of the couch, and I had to like make another hole in order to get it out. So I used a knife, and I was trying to see the light, and I didn't. I accidentally cut it, but whatever. It still works. Okay, yeah, here's all my movies. Half of these movies are like little kid movies, obviously. But yeah, I love that movie. My heater's on and it's still cold, and I don't get it. My room is so cold, but out in the hallway it's a lot warmer. I don't know if I want to sleep in here tonight. It's so cold. Yeah, that's my bed. And yeah, look how messy that. And you know what? I didn't even do that. It was clean over there. All that's my jeans. And like, my mom was like doing something over there. I think she was like getting clothes or something. She just like had jeans all over the floor, and I just moved them over. But yeah, and I don't want to show you my closet. It is way too messy. And yes, that's medicine. I think that's medicine. But yeah, I made a little nail polish thing. I don't know how I got these hiccups either. It just sort of came. I just got out of the shower like about, I guess about an hour ago, maybe a half hour ago, something like that. And yeah, and I'm home alone too, because my mom, she was supposed to go out just to get some groceries or something, but she hasn't came home. And yeah, I know you can't see anything out there, because like, you just can't. Because my camera's too weird like that, but I know this video is probably the most boring video in the world. Because like, I'm really not talking about anything. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go now because this is a very long and very boring video. Okay, so I hope y'all have a happy holiday. And be safe and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay. Bye.